A very good afternoon, one and all. This is Sushma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Data Science from B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today, the course name is Data Visualization Technique, and the topic is Overview of Visualization and its Importance. Let us understand what is data visualization. Visualization is nothing but incorporating our text data into the visual forms or into the images. Suppose take a photograph is also a visualization picture of a person. In the same way, in order to give an explanation about the entire data, it is easy for the other person, opponent person, to understand the same raw data in visualization form. For that purpose, here the first topic we'll be learning about the basic charts in the data visualization. It's a graphical representation of data. Here, it transforms raw data into the visual formats like charts, graphs, maps, and dashboards, making it easier to understand patterns, trends, and outliers. For example, in a corporate company, if a manager asks us to provide a data of 1 month data, what you have performed, in order to explain him in the paragraphs format, it is easy for the person to explain, to make him understand in the form of graph or a dashboard. That's why visualization plays a vital role in today's market. There are 3 major considerations of visualization. They are clarity, accuracy, and efficiency. There are different types of data visualization techniques. First, bar chart. It is ideal for comparing categorical data or displaying frequencies. Bar charts offer a clear visualization representation of values. The next is line chart. Perfect for illustrating trends over time. Line charts connect data points to reveal patterns and fluctuations. Next is pie charts. Efficient for displaying parts of whole. Pie charts offer a simple way to understand proportions and percentages. The next is scatter plot. Showcase relationship between 2 variables, identifying patterns and outliers through scattered data point. The next is histogram. Depict the distribution of a continuous variable, providing insights into the underlying data patterns. And the next is heat maps. Visualize complex data sets through color coding, emphasizing variations and correlations in a matrix. All these data types is nothing but based upon your problem statement or based upon the data you wanted to exhibit in front of the audience. You have to choose a chart. You have to choose the chart based upon your problem statement. If your problem statement is regarding the time, you have to select line chart. Suppose you have to explain the audience the trends of the market in 2015, 16, 17, 18. How are the sales going on in 2015 of iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max in 15? The same in 16 and 17. In order to understand the trends of that particular mobile phone sales, you have to go take line chart, not pie chart. So by understanding the basics of these charts, you will be in a position to which chart you have to choose. If your problem statement is regarding this trend line, if you want to show the trend line, you have to select line chart. If you want to tell your audience about the proportions of your data, suppose if you are having 100% of raw data and you would like to share 20% of raw data to the admin blog and 30% to the developers and 20% to the testers and the remaining 20% for the HR team, in order to show your proportions 20, 30, 20, 10, this you have to go choose your pie chart. And the next is scatter plot. You use the scatter plot in order to show the relationship between the 2 variables. For example, consider a study hours in the x-axis as well as your marks. Here you are comparing 2 variables, that is how you have studied for 10 hours and what is your marks. You are just comparing your time with your marks percentage. At that moment, if you choose scatter plot, it is easy for the audience to understand it more easily and accurately. And next is histograms. Histograms we use, for example, if you are having a continuous data, suppose 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, if there is a continuity in your data, better you choose histogram so that the audience in the opponent will be in a position to understand it clearly. And suppose coming to the heat maps, suppose if you are having a data consisting of higher values as well as lower values for some, suppose consider in the month of January your sales are 21 and 21%, and in the February it is 22, in the March it is 25, and in the April it is 50, so on till December. Consider if you want to showcase your audience the highest value and the lowest value, we can use this heat map. This heat map will give you the color coding to the particular percentage. Let us understand this more practically by using Excel. First, here we'll learn how to use pie chart using Excel. First, switch on to Excel data. Now, take one data set. Suppose, consider a data set consisting of month as well as sales. Month, consider Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. I'm taking a random data for the sales in the month of Jan as 23, in the month of Feb as 50, in the month of March as 89, in the month of April as 65, 76 in May, 90 in June, 64 in July, and 12 in August, 53 in the month of September, 76, 65, 32. That's it. This is the data set, sample data set, which I have collected here. Now, I would like to showcase pie chart using Excel. For that purpose, I have to take a data set, common data set, or you can load the data set which you are having. For that, first select your data set. Next, go to Insert tab in the Excel sheet. Here, in this Insert tab, you can see charts in the fourth column. In that fourth column, there is different charts. You can see Insert column, Insert hierarchy chart, Insert waterfall, Insert pie chart. Here, from this, I would like to select a pie chart. Got it? In this way, for this data, I have visualized the same data in the form of a picture. That is what a visualization is. Visualization is nothing but showcasing your data, your theoretical data in the form of visualization, in the form of a picture, in the form of an image. That is known as data visualization. By seeing into the picture, you can easily analyze the green color, that is June. In the month of June, your sales are 5%. In the month of July, your sales are 11%, and so on. It is easy for your audience to understand. In the same way, you can also plot different charts using this. Suppose if I want to exhibit heat map, the procedure differs slightly. For that same, you have to select your data, go to Home. Here in the Home tab, you can check conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting. In that conditional formatting, you'll be seeing different columns as highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon set, new rule, clear rule, manage rule. Click on color scales. In that, you'll be seeing multiple options. Select as per your choice. I've selected the first one, and here in this heat map, you can see it has given dark green color for the highest value. Yes, 89, 90, all the highest values have taken green color and all the lowest values have been encountered with red color. In this way, you will be expecting your heat map using Excel. And in the same way, you can also create scatter plot by using the same data. And select your data, go to Insert tab, click on in the charts, select the desired chart which you want. Here is scatter plot, click. This is what? Sales. You can also check it like this. Whatever the chart, you are more flexible and understanding, you can click on it. In this way, you can give your data. If you want to change the names, suppose if I don't want to showcase as sales, I would like to change this sales in a month. Just select the data and type your desired problem statement. By using Excel, you can contribute your data in the form of visualization. This is first part. And also, this Excel has more disadvantages and it causes a lot of time effort. For that purpose, we have introduced Power BI as well as Tableau in this data visualization. There are many visualization techniques, but here we are more interested in, here we are explaining about Power BI. The same, whatever I told, by using Excel, working principle of Excel, open your Excel sheet, enter the data of your choice, insert tab, change the title of your choice, go to colors. The same steps, heat map procedure which I have shown by using Excel and scatter plot using Excel. And in the next class, we'll understand the same plots using Power BI, how we have to install Power BI desktop and also how to visualize the same plots by using Power BI. The complexity in Excel will be reduced by using the Power BI. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.